All right, welcome to this short webinar. I'll basically be teaching you all you need to know about forex trading, how we make our money, how to trade signals, to take profits and avoid losses. And you can do that via risk management. So it's both the combination of introduction to forex and then risk management. I still remain Sandra. So what exactly, well, before you continue this video, you can decide, or I'm pleading you should actually subscribe to this YouTube channel and then leave a like, and you can also comment if you want. So what exactly is forex trading? Now, forex is simply foreign exchange. It involves the buying and selling of currency pairs, and it is through this buying and selling of currency pairs that you get to make your profits daily if you want. So there are actually different currency pairs in the forex market. There is GBP USD, which is my favorite, and that is British pound. There is Euro USD. There is gold. There are lots of currency pairs, and once you go through this whole course, you get to see them, and then you get used to them, to even selecting your favorite. So it is when you trade these currency pairs, trading, I mean, you are able to know when this particular currency is going to increase in value or decrease in value, and then your predictions are right, then you make profits. I hope you are getting me. So it's just about buying and selling. As we delve in deeper, you'll get to understand more. So actually, as a beginner, there are some things that you have to take off your mind if you really want to succeed in this business. People call it a game, but I call it a business, because I don't, if you take something as a game, in fact, everything starts from the mind. It's about mindset. And my mindset, I've structured it around seeing forex as a business, because it is actually a business. So the first thing you should take off your mind is forex is scam. Forex is not scam. Forex is not scam. It is just that some persons, due to carelessness, laziness, and let's say ignorance, they don't want to learn. They want to give somebody money to trade for them. They want to put their money here, they want to give their money here, all those things. It makes them, they fall into the wrong hands, and then at the end of the day they lose their money, and they call the business scam. Forex is not scam. People earn legitimately from it, and I am also a living testimony. The second one is forex is hard. Forex trading is not actually hard. No, it's not hard, because personally, I actually started with crypto trading, and I used to like wonder, what are all these lines, like how do people understand the chart, like what's happening here and all that. But just because I decided to learn, get myself a mentor, join some communities, I got to understand the basics. From the basics, I started advancing, and I am where I am today, teaching a lot of people, free and paid, mentoring a lot of students and all that. So it's not actually hard. You just need to decide to want to learn, and then it comes easy. Somebody I've used just one, I had one session with that person, just one, and it was just an hour, and the person is now analyzing the market by himself and then making good profits. Now, there are certain things that you must actually check if you want to succeed in this business. The first one is to get yourself a good mentor, somebody that will teach you both in season and out of season, somebody that will be there for you in the good and in the bad times, because there are bad times when you refuse to listen to instructions. And then you also need a community to grow, and that community, I don't mean a locked community where you cannot even express yourself and all that, like where you can see the ideas of other traders. Oh, this is how it's going. Oh, it's happening this way because of this and all that. Like a community of people, like-minded people. It's very, very important for you to actually grow in this business. And then you also need good risk management strategy. Now, a lot of people blow their accounts. Because in fact, that's another fallacy or another lie that you must take out of your head, that you must blow your account no matter what. It is a lie. That's the reason why mentors are there and teachers are there. They should be able to help you and take you through the process of consistently winning rather than losing. I hope you are getting me. So risk management is what will actually help you to make more money rather than lose money. Risk management is what will help you to know when to leave the market or stay in the market. Risk management is what will help you to know when to lock profit or break even. All these things are things that you will learn both with experience and being in a good community and having a good mentor. Now, another thing is, people say Forex is only for guys, or they may not say it, but they think it. And then when they see girls like trading Forex, they're like, wow, 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 it's amazing. As a matter of fact, I'm actually trying to build more female traders, and the reason is, okay, I will keep this one to myself. If you're in my community, you get to know the reason later on. And then, so Forex trading is actually for both genders. And then Forex trading is not only for the rich. You can start trading with as little as $10. A guy in my community has flipped $10 to $400 in 3 days. In 3 days, it's not just, it's just, the skill is there, risk management strategy is there, although I would say it was actually stressful, but he did it. So it means anybody can actually trade Forex. Just be ready, have the skill, have the knowledge, be patient, and don't be greedy. So now let's look into how we make money. How can you actually trade the market? How can you actually understand the market? Now, the way for you to understand the market is via analyzing the market. This is what the Forex market looks like. Let me just show you. This is an app that we use to analyze either crypto pair, Forex pair, even synthetics, any financial market at all. You can just try to come to this trading view app and then you analyze the pair. So now this is GBP/USD, that is British pound, as you can see over there. So now this is it. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like here. So your ability to analyze the market and know, oh, is this thing going to go up this way, or is it going to go down? Is it going to increase in value? You can see like this pair now, it has been going up. That means it has been increasing in value. So my ability to predict that this pair is going to move from, look at this figure, let's say from 1.21180 to, it will move up to 1.22677. That is where I make my profit. So it has to do with your skills. It has to do with your skill. You have to learn very, very well how to analyze the market. And then I call it simple analysis and not even technical analysis, because a lot of people think that you must go and stay in cave of Adullam. That means you must have to go and do some kind of fasting and prayer, not eat, not sleep before you learn how to analyze the market. No, it doesn't actually work that way. So analyzing the market is what will help you predict the movement of the market, if it is going to go this way or the other way. So let's continue. And now, am I going to teach you how to analyze the market? Of course. Because why? It is not good for you to depend on somebody to tell you this thing is going to buy or is going to sell. That means this is going to go up or it's going to go down. No. In fact, Giant FX, the vision or the mission behind it is building confident traders. Building confident traders, whereby you can sit down at any time at your own convenience and pace. You are able to analyze and make your own money. I hope you get me. So I normally encourage everyone to learn analysis, and then you can actually do this either by sending me a DM to get our course, or by let's say maybe applying for my personal mentorship, but that is optional. That is if you can afford it, where you learn up to 10 strategies about to analyze the market, and then be your own boss, teach as many people as you want, and so much more. Now, how exactly is money made? I've just said it. Money is made via signals. There's something they refer to as signals. Let me use the main pen of this app. Okay, there's something they refer to as signals. Yes, signals is what normally help us to know this is where the market is going to, this is where the market is going to stop, and all that. So signals is what have actually helped us to make our money as we should. And what are signals? As I wrote them here, let's do this. Signals are recommendations or alerts provided to traders to help them make trading decisions. These signals are typically generated by experienced traders or specialized trading, and so on and so forth. Signals are just, they are like numbers. Like I showed you in the other chart of that British pound, they'll tell you, okay, buy British pound from let's say something like let's say British pound, the current figure value of British pound is 200. So let's say after the person analyzes the market and he speculates that British pound is going to buy, is going to go bullish, is going to go uptrend to, let's say, 1000. So a signal is when they will send you the signal and say buy GBP USD at 200 or at 300 and take your profit at 900 or 1000, and there you make money once your prediction is what is correct. Now, can everybody generate signal? Yes, if you know how to analyze, because correct analysis will give you good signals. That is why I keep encouraging people to actually get the Jade Forex course or to apply for my personal mentorship. But even for now, I don't know, or I don't think I'm accepting more students into my private mentorship group. But then it is actually very important for you to learn how to get signals yourself and not wait for free signals from all these Telegram groups and every other person, because even the greatest Forex trader can be wrong. It all depends on your strategy and your own pattern. Wrong signals will make you lose money. So like I said, you can actually reach me, check the comment section for my number, or link to my community, link to my DM, or link to my personal mentorship packages and all, for you to get more information on that. For you to start trading, you need to ensure you have the knowledge, you have the tools, and every other thing needed. You have to register your broker. Here we use XNet. You can check the comment section for the XNet link you can use to register, and then once you use it to register, you download the XNet app and you log in with your login details you used in registering. Now after I register with the broker, you can now download MT5 app. Don't worry, there's also the steps I sent to you, the account creation info. You get all the steps there on how to download the broker, connect to MT5, deposit your funds, and start trading. You can deposit with as low as $10, but I advise that you can go higher than that if you want, because the higher the capital, the higher your profit, and it gives you chance to increase your lot size and all that. So this is the link, but you can find it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share as well to others. So this is just the process. You can also check for the PDF file. I'll be dropping it as well in the comment section. All right, so from here, before depositing into your XNet, you must ensure that you have correctly linked it to your MT5 account. More details are in the other links I sent to you or in the comment section. Now, moving on. Terminologies used in Forex. I will be very quick about this now. Currency pair, like I said, they are just what we trade in the Forex market. There are lots and lots of them. You'll find them in one of the links I sent to you or in the comment section. Now, To buy means to long or to bull. It simply means a trader is predicting that the market is going to increase in value or decrease in value. Let me show you what I mean. Now let's say this is the forex market. This is the forex market. And let's say it stopped here. So I open my charts now and I'm like, oh, this is GBP USD. And after doing my analysis, I've done a lot of drawings. Some people's analysis is like, technical drawing, and they do a lot of drawing on their charts. But it's not about drawing. It's about what you are comfortable making and what you are comfortable risking. Some people actually make a lot of money with just one candlestick formation, and they close the market and they are done. And they call themselves forex traders. So it's actually more about what you are comfortable making. Some people, just one candlestick have actually given them about $100. So it is about capital, it is about your skill, it is about the knowledge you have. So let's say now I've done a lot of mess here. Let me start from, what have I done? All right, let's start from scratch. Excuse me, sorry about that. All right, so let's say you want to trade the GBP USD market. I came and then I met it this way. It's just here, around here, and I'm like, this is GBP USD. And after drawing my analysis and doing a lot of things, I'm like, this thing is going to sell. Sell means it's going to come down. Buy means it's going to increase in value. And then if you check your charts, the figures are normally around here, the trading view I opened before. So now I look at it and I'm like, this thing is going to sell, it's going to keep going down. And then I'll go to my MetaTrader 5 or my broker, and then I'll impute the value. Let's say let me erase this again. Let's say this is the chart, and I'm predicting that it's going to keep going downwards like this. And let's say these are the values beside it. This is the value of the GBP USD pound. So I'm predicting that this thing is going to go down from 4 down to 1. And let's say it actually works that way you predicted. I've made good money. So that is selling, going down. Then buying is that I am predicting that this GBP USD stuff is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm predicting that it's going to buy. That means I'm saying it's going to move, let's say from, it depends on any value I place it on my MT5. It's going to move from 2 to 5 or any number. It's depending on the currency pair value. And then let's assume that it actually goes that way. I've made some good money. So that is all about buying and selling. And you can also say a market is bullish. Bullish means the market is going up. Or you can say the market is bearish. Bearish means the market is going down. Now, what else? Pip is just the measurement from one value to another in a particular currency pair. Leverage or lot size is like what boosts your capital. It enables you to trade more. So a lot of persons, because of this opportunity, they want to trade with more than 0.01, especially beginners, because I normally advise that as a beginner you start with the minimal lot size, which is normally 0.01. But because they want to make quick money, they use large lot sizes for small capitals, and they end up blowing accounts. So these are most of the things that you actually be learning in my risk management course. You can have access to it as well in the comment section. If you want the risk management course, or you want to get more information about risk management, you can also check the comment section or reach me on WhatsApp. Now, stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is actually a point where a trader will exit a losing trade to limit potential losses. Then take profit is a point where a trader will exit a winning trade to lock in profit. Let's go back to our drawing board. Now assume that, let's assume that this is still GBP USD, and you predicted that it's going to sell, it's going to come down. So let's say now it starts obeying you, it starts coming down, you are making profit, you're making profit, you're making profit. And then you that will not tell the broker that, please, once it gets to this point, just close the trade. Because this is Forex. Some people, out of greed, they want to keep looking at their profits running. This it will keep, if I can get $10, I can also get $20. It will keep growing. I'm not afraid, don't worry. Before you know it, this is Forex. It will just start reversing, going back up, and that's how they end up losing their money, or it hits stop loss. So this take profit, TP, that's what we call it, is the value in which you set on your broker, telling the broker that once it gets to this point, please close the trade. I'm okay with $100 for the day, I'm okay with $200 for the day, I'm okay with $1,000 for the day. I don't want more, it's fine. Even if the market likes, it should keep going down till whenever it wants to stop. I'm okay with this. That is discipline. You also learn more of that in the risk management course. So stop loss, we call it for short SL, is, let's assume that this trade you predicted that is going to sell, it starts going up, it starts reversing up. That means, let's say you start losing money. This SL means stop loss. You are telling the broker that, please, I can only afford to lose minus $2 or minus $25. So once it gets to this point, close the trade. That is all about risk management. It is very, very, very useful in trading. So let's go back. Now, excuse me. Now, there are key things for you to note. When you see a signal. The first one is currency pair. They will tell you the currency pair. Then they also tell you if it's going to buy or sell. They'll tell you the entry figure or entry value, the stop loss, take profit, and lot size. You will learn how to enter signals. There's a video in the link as well where you watch it and you learn it very well. This is supposed to be a very short webinar, how to enter signals. You see it there and take it. But remember, I said it's not all about rushing to take people's signal. It's all about you knowing by yourself how to analyze the market and predict movement. This is what a signal look like. You can see the currency pair. AUDJPY, buy stop, the entry value, this is the SL value, the take profit value, and they're telling you the risk to reward ratio. A lot of people don't still understand this risk to reward ratio, pip size calculation, lot size calculation, and all that. You can learn more from the risk management course. Now, these are some abbreviations used in trading: stop loss, SL, TP, take profit, entry price or entry points, BE, break even, RR, risk to reward ratio, and so much more. So now these are key aspects of trading that every beginner or pro must actually take note of for you to succeed. Number one is risk management. It is not compulsory for you to blow your account. The last time I blew my account was the first month I started Forex, and that was because I actually did not really know my way around it then. I used the same head knowledge I was carrying for crypto to do Forex, and that was when I blew. And it was even a $10 account as I started with until I started using bigger accounts. Education is very, very important. You continue to learn in this business because things are happening. You can see how the Israel war, it made gold pump. Now, if you are not aware of both fundamental aspect of trading and then you are just focused on technical, you also lose without you knowing it. Trading plan is good. It helps you to keep track of what you are doing. I want to make this today. You make it and you rest. You are not greedy. It helps you to curb greed. People are losing money because of greed, indiscipline. They don't want to start small. They want to be fast. They want to rush. Because I am withdrawing $300, you want to withdraw the same. Because I'm withdrawing $10, you want to also withdraw. Meanwhile, you have not even started. It is a process. And like I tell my students, I am happy that you are learning with experience. And it's funny how even from my students, they are even giving me signals. I'm happy because that is the joy of every teacher. Now you have to be patient. You have to be patient with yourself. Whether you are getting it or you are not getting it, be patient. You will get there. All these big traders you are seeing today, they were not actually, like, they did not get there in just, just one jump or one hop. I'm a living testimony. It is actually a process. It takes time. It takes time. I mean, for you to build, to become that, millionaire trader that you yearn to become. Because once you don't keep all these things in check, it will now what? Affect your psychology. It will now affect your psychology. And then the others, record keeping, news and events, capital preservation, is also very important for you to do well. So I guess this is where I'll be stopping in this short webinar, for you to get more information, deeper understanding. You want a guide, someone to hold your hands, show you the ways to scalp, to be an intraday trader, a swing trader, whichever one you want. You can actually get to me to get the either the Jade Forex course, or you get to me for my personal mentorship, or whatever. Just ask your questions, feel free, just feel free. You can also just keep up with the free classes we normally host. I normally host classes, sessions from time to time. You can keep up with that. And then very important that every trader must have or know is risk management. So for you to access or know how I manage my risk, somebody asked me last week that he rarely sees me, like, I don't really complain of blown accounts. I said, it's, to me, when I even hear people blowing accounts, I feel like they are gambling. They are not doing business, they are gambling. So why will you see me or complain of blown accounts? It was because of this whole thing that I had to delve deeper into risk management, and I discovered a lot of things that people don't even know about risk management. It's not just all about locking profits and then breaking even. There are deeper things, and that was where I discovered the LPR strategy. So you can actually know about this LPR strategy and how to manage your risk, how to times 10 your capital on weekly basis. Ask my private students. I actually withdraw, I don't want to say daily, but on a daily basis I trade and I withdraw. I know it's because of my capital, because the capital as well matters. Some people choose to grow their capital. Some people, they already have the big capital and they just want to be making their money and be withdrawing. So it all depends on you anyway. So that was where I discovered this LPL strategy that has actually helped me to trade with big lot sizes. People would think you are taking big risk, but you're actually not taking big risk. It's just strategies that their eyes have not been opened to. So these are the things I do. These are the things I've been doing. I've gone into deeper research, and that was where I found the LPR risk strategy. And then you can also choose to learn more about it by asking me via my DM. And so whatever you want to know, whatever you want to see, just check the comment section for the links there, and then you would get appropriate answers. Thank you for staying with me this far, and God bless you.